Hey y'all, so today we are back at it again with day 4. Today we're making roll-on essential oil perfume as opposed to the perfume balm that we did yesterday. This is a little bit easier to make, a little bit more beginner friendly. All you're going to need is some 10 milliliter amber roll-on bottles. You do need that dark glass so that your essential oils won't disintegrate and it will stay fragrant for much longer. I ended up using 3 different essential oils to make this particular scent. It is called Love. I ended up using frankincense, orange, and tea tree oils. You're also going to need some fractioned coconut oil, and you're also going to need a little dropper, which my little dropper that you see on the table right there is something that came with the box of roll-on tubes that I bought. I'll link everything in the description box as usual. So I started with orange as my top note, and then I used frankincense as the middle note and tea tree as the bottom. Again, if you would like for me to do a video on how I decide what the notes are and how I blend these scents, please let me know in the comments. I can do a video on that if y'all would like. All you're gonna do is go ahead and drop in your essential oils. I think I end up using maybe like 18 to 20 drops of frankincense essential oil. I know it didn't look like it at first, but you're gonna see me go back and add some more of that in. And then I think I want to say I used maybe like 16 drops of orange, and then I used like 10 drops of the tea tree. I'm giving y'all measurements just for the sake, but I'll start off with a couple of drops of each, and add drops depending on the smell of how I think it smells. And you're gonna see me pick my roll-on bottle up in just a second here, and yep, there it is right there. That was the smell test. And then I add more of whatever scent that I think it needs more of. I just go ahead and do this until the roll-on bottle is full. Now, the thing also that people don't realize about perfume, it also depends on your natural body smell that you already have. So if you have a naturally kind of like a musky smell, just even to your skin, I'm not talking about like body odor, I'm talking about the way that you smell. So I've noticed that like with my husband, he has like a deeper, just natural smell. So I would like to use a lot more top notes for him, because that accents his deeper smell on his skin better. Whereas if you have like a lighter smell or like a more, I want to say, I guess, pungent smell, then you want to use a lot of deeper notes, a lot of sandalwood, a lot of cedar wood, a lot of frankincense, not a whole lot of like fruity, flowery stuff if you already have like a light smell, because you want those deeper smells to kind of carry that light smell. And people usually smell the lighter scents first, and then they'll get into those. It's like when somebody give you a hug, then they'll get into those deeper scents. Anyhow, to my point that perfume smells different on everybody's skin. So that's another factor that you need to be measuring when you are making this essential oil perfume. So now that y'all seen me smell it a couple times and add a couple things to it and add my fraction coconut oil and everything like that, here in a second, I believe that I'm adding more. I just do it until the bottle is full. Let's just put it that way. I just fill the bottle up and I make sure that it smells decent. That fraction coconut oil does not hold any type of scent, and it absorbs into your skin really, really well, which is why it's the perfect carrier oil. That's what it's called. It's the perfect carrier oil for this. So now you're going to see me go ahead and add the top and the roller ball. You're going to click that on, and in order to get it started, you're going to take some of that fraction of coconut oil, put on your finger, and rub it on that ball until the ball starts to move around. At that point, you will put the lid on and you can shake it up and everything like that. And you are all set to go. So this was day 4. Thank you guys for watching. Still like and comment and subscribe and share and do all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the morning.